It's our most trusted girlfriend-to-girlfriend recommendations. The Studio 5 Love List is a collection of items the Studio 5 staff loves, uses, and we share without any hesitation. Today we're going to sneak in a little bit of Christmas magic. And here's how I'll explain it. You know, we all need a little help during the holidays. It's a busy season, right? Santa even needs help, and sometimes he sends, his elves to certain houses to help keep a watchful eye. Sometimes, though, that elf might need extra support while visiting your home, in which case you could provide him or her with this. Say hello to the Elf on a Shelf Holiday Kit, 21 jolly days of watching your kids discover magic moments in your home. It provides your elf, if he or she needs the support again, with scenes, props, instructions. It could be an answer to your elf's prayers. At our house, Jingle Toes, I think, could use all the help he could get. There is a magic glove included to keep your elf safe and the magic alive. You can purchase a kit from the Crafty Holiday Helper and use code STUDIO25 for 25% off. Listen, if this is a thing at your house and it offers less holiday stress, then it makes it an easy add to our Studio 5 Love List. Santa's smart, the way he uses, kits like this and tools like the elf to help him keep it all straight. He's got a big job, that man in red. So, glad we can make Santa's life easier too.